Hello, so I'm making this video to go with the previous video I made, which showed how to end round 7 of this doily and how to make the last join on it. So in the previous video I did it in a particular way, which I don't think was the easiest way, and I did recommend in written word that you should use a folded join. So I will actually show you how to make this folded join in this particular instance. So I tatted a small piece just so I could get back to where we were right at the end of the round and to do the join that we needed to make. So we're here, we made the last 5 Victorian sets, and we want to join here, which was the beginning of our round. And I ended up doing it this way, with my shuttle on top, making the join, then passing my shuttle through. But that's, you don't need to do that. There's a much simpler way, and it's just to use a folded join. So you're still looking the same way as you're making your chain, and all you need to do is fold the piece where you're joining to, so face to face. So this is my chain, this is where I want to join, so I join it just so my picot is lined up to where I want to make the join. And then when you're making this folded join, you want to go from underneath through the picot. So there's my picot, the work is folded, and I go from underneath with my hook and then grab the ball thread, because we're making a regular join, and pass my shuttle through it just like a regular join. And then I carry on with the chain. So we need to make 2 Victorian sets after the chain. So I can unfold it already, you can see, but I'm going to complete it. So leave it folded, and then we're going to make the last 2 sets. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it, nothing more complicated than that, and we end up with both our ball thread and our shuttle thread are underneath the work where they need to be. And then, after this we're joining, it's easier probably to leave the work folded. We were joining back to the 3rd picot of the large ring, so you can make this join as well. And then carry on making the last element. You can leave the work folded and make the last chain, flower and chain and join back at the beginning at your starting point. So that's the way to make a folded join. I think that's a much simpler join, and I should have used that in the previous video. I hope you find it useful in other instances as well. See you soon. Bye bye.